Hi, Sophia. You seem quiet today. Are you all right?
Hi, Alex. Yeah, I'm fine. Just a bit down. Sorry, I'm late.
You look upset. What's going on? What's going on?
This afternoon, I went to the bakery near the park. I tried to buy some bread. I used English.
Great. Great. That's brave.
But the lady talked so quickly, I couldn't follow. I asked her to repeat. The customers behind me, they sighed and looked annoyed.
Oh, Sophia, I'm really sorry.
I felt so embarrassed. I feel awkward now. Maybe my English is terrible.
I get it. Lots of people rush here in New York.
But I mess up a lot. Mess up a lot. Withers and Nary.
Errors happen to everyone. It's part of learning.
I'm scared to try again.
No problem. We can practice right now. We'll keep it basic.
Sure.
Let's chat about your routine. This will help. What do you do after waking up?
I brush my teeth.
Nice. I brush my teeth.
I add sugar and milk. I drink it hot.
Awesome. Awesome. Look at that. You're using English so well.
This feels simple. This feels simple. Erg simple. Tautas feels besting.
Yes, easy words work best. One more try. What about your brother? What does he like?
He plays soccer. Vedrar.
Almost for he or she, add S. S.
Right. I forgot. He plays soccer.
Perfect, you nailed it. He plays, I play.
Hey. Exactly. It's too loud for.
Oh.
We should go on tap for Briaden. One the start chore. I was sorry that
Take it one step at a time. You're doing awesome.
one step at a time. Got it.
Forget those people at the bakery. Just keep going. Practice is key.
Thanks, Alex. I feel encouraged. I'll try every day.
Great. Let's keep practicing. Tell me about your weekend plans. What do you want to do?
I want to visit Central Park.
Excellent. I want to visit Central Park.
Why? Because it is beautiful and big.
Very good. I want to visit Central Park. What will you do there?
I will walk. I will take photos.
Perfect. Dari figure that so have happened I'm practiced this. You can say I will walk and take photos.
Yes, I will walk and take photos.
I might applaud today it will be 10 so. Awesome. Do you go with friends?
No, I go alone or sometimes with my cousin.
Good. Although I fly sad right now, frightening lower. I go with my cousin sometimes.
No, wait. My cousin goes with me sometimes.
Yes. Again, he had their joggings last and they're like sad. Or I go with my cousin sometimes. Both are right. Both. Not that. Yes.
Now, let's talk about food. What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza.
Of course, in New York. Why do you like it?
Because it tastes good and hot.
And guys down. There are slatters down.
It tastes delicious.
Let me try. It tastes delicious. You got it.
You were holding in my front of our pretty's tight.
Where do you eat pizza? Where do you eat pizza?
I eat at a restaurant, or I order delivery.
Perfect. Delivery is popular here.
Yes, people are busy. Rah.
Exactly. Oh, one more. What time do you usually go to bed?
I usually go to bed at 11.
Great. I go to bed at 11. Or the clock.
Oh,
Don't wait.
at 11? At 11.
Yes. See, you're speaking more and more.
I feel confident now.
That's wonderful, Sophia. Keep this up. Talk to people slowly. Most are kind.
Thank you so much, Alex. This practice helps a lot.
And I? Anytime. Bye. Bye.
Tomorrow we can practice ordering food like at the bakery.
Yeah.
Boogaloo. Yes, I will be ready step by step.
You are doing fantastic.
Ja.